Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily change language in the Riot application using your smartphone or tablets. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open your Riot application on your device, and once you're inside the home page after logging in, go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile section, click on the gear button at the top right and click on Language. From the list of available languages, choose the language you want to change to for your display and click Yes. Doing this will immediately change your language setting in the app. You can repeat this step for every other language choices you'd like to apply to your account. So that's it. That is how super quick and easy you'll be able to change your language in the Riot application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.